Okay, so here's the progress so far. Alright, as you can see, the chain is on. Now look what happens when I move the pedals. As you can see. Can you hear that motor noise? Listen to it. It's working. Listen. And look at the back. So, now the main question is, can it handle the load? Alright, so I'm going to accelerate. Okay, so that's it for you. Now I just have to test it with a load to see if it will work, or will the chain jump. Alright, so the electric bike is finally ready to go. So with a bit of trial and error, I managed to finally get the right alignment so the chain doesn't jump off. And now it actually works perfectly fine. So if you don't know what's powered in this bike, it's actually a ride-on toy. It's powered by a ride-on toy motor from a kid's toy car. Can you believe that? So basically, so we have the ride-on toy motor right here with the gearbox itself. Then we have a kid's bike sprocket. So I chose the biggest sprocket because I'm going to be using the biggest gear in the front. So basically, if I used a small sprocket, I didn't want too much load on the motor because I don't know how much torque this can handle. And if the load was too much, it could just break and the whole project would be scrapped, and I didn't want that. But it's a blessing in disguise because this bike actually has a gear changer, which means no matter what gear I choose, I can still go flying because I can just change gears just like this and go faster. All right, so it's ready, and now let's test it out. Okay, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Quite fancy. And then at the turn around, and then this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a prototype. All right, so let's take this thing for a spin. All right, so the first thing is, as you can see, this whole setup is powered by this tiny little 11.1 volt lithium polymer battery and this tiny little 12 volt brush speed controller. These tiny little things can get this bike going. All right, so the first step is I switch on the speed controller. It's on. Then I switch on the remote. There we go, it's connected. Now I'm going to give myself a runway, so I'm going to carry it. Look how light it is. All right. Just like that. And now I'm going to give it, I'm going to give it a push start because I don't want to destroy it. All right, so first step is you go, right? And then you accelerate. Look. And then I can do speed hold. See? It's working. Woo! Let's see if I can make a U-turn to show you that this is not a downhill. All right? Making a U-turn. Wow, the chain jumped. And we just have to put the chain back on like that. And then it's ready to go. Let's see. It's because I put too much torque. Alright, let's try. Oh no, it downshifted. Let's see. That should be fine. Let's give it a retry. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a trial in progress. But once you get it dialed in, it will work out nicely. Yeah, so this is the progress that I managed to get up to. All right, let's give it a one more try. All right. Oh well. All right, so as you can see, it works. Okay, so anyway, I'll have to keep on trying, but eventually I'll get it running. All right, thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video.